Hey guys, this is Angie at Chicken Scratch, and today's video is how to navigate my new website. I'm going to start over here at the home button. Right here is my home page, and when you scroll down, it's pretty much like my old one. You're going to see the last 9 posts on the front page, and then if you want to see older, you can click on older, or you can go up to the top and you can click on blog. Okay, so back down here at the bottom, older gets you to the older post. Shop Now button. Here's the current catalogs. I've been blogging since 2006, so you can scroll down and visit those. Paper Pumpkin, need to update that image. Now we're going to come over here to the right sidebar. Here is my social icons, some information about myself. Oops, I didn't mean to click on that. And then another Shop Now button. Right here is my Stampin' Basics video series and exclusive tutorials. So if you want to receive exclusive tutorials that only goes to my mailing list subscribers, you can join right here. Here's my host code, Stampin' Anonymous tutorial. Right here is where you subscribe to join my blog content. So if you want to get an email every time I post on my blog, put your email address in here and click subscribe. I will warn you, sometimes those go in your spam folder, so you want to check those often. But yeah, that's how you can stay in touch, okay? Let's go up to my Chick Shop. My Stampin' Up! Orders, that's my bread and butter, but I sell other things. So I have online classes, chick stands, coasters, tutorials. Before I cover those, let's go over here and click on My Account. All of the customers, or all of my customers that purchase online classes, tutorials, your information transferred over to my new website. Your password did not. So all I need you to do is click on My Account right here, and then click on your username. Type in your username that you use to purchase my online class, and then click on Lost Your Password. What that's going to do is send you an email, and you can reset your password. If you have any trouble, text me, call me, email me, let me know. But it should work. My old system did not work on recovering passwords. This system does, okay? And then when you do log in, you'll be able to see all of your classes and everything that you've purchased down here at the bottom. It will list them, okay? Now let's go over to the Chick Shop. Online classes, these are listed in chronological order. It also has my calendar file. I probably need to make a new category for that. And then we've got chick stands. Let me explain the chick stands now, because this works a little bit differently from how I had it before. Right here is the drop down button. You can order 1, 2, 6, or 10. Okay? Now let me click on coasters and let me tell you the difference on that. Coasters, a lot of people want those really quickly. So I have 2 shipping options. You can pay for first class shipping and get them however long it takes the post office, or you can hit the drop down button and click on priority mail. Okay, so that's your choice. Next I have tutorials, and probably most of my Stampin' Anonymous tutorials need to be removed from online classes and just put here on tutorials. Tutorials typically do not have videos, whereas online classes typically do. So I do need to make that change. And then more, we're going to be adding more to this category, but right now we just have my Chicken Scratch fan. Okay, let's go back over to my website. So if you click on blog, that's going to give you all of my blog posts in chronological order. So you can just scroll all the way down and then hit older entries. Okay, next I'm going to show you photos. This is all of my photos in chronological order. So this first page, when I click on it, it's just going to show them. Oh, I clicked on blog, didn't I? So here it is. So this was the most recent, then that, so on. Okay? Next is videos. This is a very important category. My customers love this. So let's say you want to see all my videos in chronological order. You can click on all. Okay? That's going to bring all 1,100 and something. There's a lot. Or let's go back, and we can click on, let's say, 3D, because that's what a lot of you come to my website for, is 3D. And here they are. So you can just keep scrolling to your heart's content, click on older, and it's going to keep taking you, okay? I do need to still update some of these categories because I've kind of changed them a little bit. The next option is Join Stampin' Up. So if you want to sign up, click right there to take you right to my Stampin' Up! Website. If you want more information, you can click on that. And Chicks Paper Ink team members, you can click here to log in to our team website. Again, this is my mailing list. Programs, I'm going to be adding to this one. So right now I have Chick Rewards, Stamp Club, and Paper Pumpkin. I do need to add host code right there. Some information about myself and shop now. So anytime I say shop now on my website, it's always going to mean go to my Stampin' Up! Website and place an order, because like I said, that's my bread and butter. The Chick Shop is just other things that I sell outside of that. Okay, so I think everything is working. It looks really good. If you run into any issues, if I have forgotten anything, please send me an email and let me know, and I'll be happy to help you. Check out my website over the next week. I'm going to be giving away lots of Chick candy. I've got rectangle framelits, a Stamparatus, all sorts of little things and big things. So don't forget to check it out, okay? Okay, I think that's it. Have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.